Cloves have amazing benefits. In this video we will share with you a simple recipe that will allow you to make use of all the advantages that cloves have to offer. In addition to reducing allergies, clove water can help you lose weight, digest food, relax your muscles, ease a cough, get rid of mucus. Would you like to discover how to produce clove water? Consider the following. Put a few cloves in a bowl of water. Let them soak through the night. Drink before breakfast. Do not drink more than 3 to 4 teaspoons of clove water in the morning. The remaining water can be kept in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. It is advised to drink clove water every day. This should be done for a month in order to get the best effects. Studies show that clove water strengthens the immune system. It is effective at getting rid of parasites from the body. Cloves can be used as our first line of defense against colds and flu. Consuming clove water at the start of spring will improve your health, according to Yogi Bhajanar. But bear in mind that cloves should not be used by anyone who is pregnant, nursing, or under the age of 6. Additionally, it is not advised for people with ulcers or gastritis. This spice may cause skin and intestinal irritation in more sensitive people. Eugenol, a component of clove, also slows down blood coagulation. Therefore, you shouldn't consume clove tea or its dried extract for 2 weeks prior to surgery. As a precaution, it should only be used under the supervision of a doctor. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.